So let's look at an example. So this is an output of the machine learning environment, and it's not geographically based. It's really schematically based on a feed of the network. So you see the little orange hexagon. That's the existing node location. And in this case, we're looking for the business rule is install a node with minimal space, minimal impact on the network. I just did a close-up here. You can see the node, and you can see all the different taps and amplifiers, et cetera, that are out in the network characterizing this schematic. So minimal construction, but we're not going to be worried about household pass balancing. So in this case, the fiber is feeding into the node in this direction. And the machine learning environment proposed this new node location because number one, there were available fibers, and number two, it required no construction because this node location is in the space of an existing amplifier. So you can see here, this particular node passed was 450, or this node had 457 homes passed, and we end up with about a 70-30 household pass balance after the split. But it's essentially a 1 hour or so install, and you're done with that node split. Moving on to another one, this one's designed to balance the homes passed. So you can see this is a node that's got more east-west than north-south components, and the original node location was on the western side of the polygon. The new node location is proposed on the eastern side. And when we look at the homes passed, we have roughly no more than 34%, no fewer than 19% homes in each of the future legs. So if we go deploy all 4 legs now, we have roughly even balancing. But if we only do one new node, it's at a 50% or so against a 48% on the other side. So you can build all those different parameters into your node design environment, and each iteration saves the designer about 30 minutes. So if you have to do 3 or 4 or 5 iterations, you can easily save a couple of hours of people time tied to maybe doing several hundred node splits a week, depending on the size of your network. You really can end up saving some massive amounts of human time, plus speed up your ability to augment your network.